Hi guys, Celestia here, or Nancy. I know that it's been quite a while since I've done a video, um, but sometimes things just happen and, we can't help it. Um, Life happens, but I just also haven't just felt like a lot of the other videos that I've watched from other friends of mine, they just haven't felt inspired. This COVID crap is getting to everyone. Um, Everyone in my household, especially my poor granddaughter, who can't go to school. But today, sorry, I have a box opening. This is a replicant of an Ipelhouse Bichin. And normally I'm not one of those doll collectors who is oohing and awing over dolls. I think, oh, she's pretty, or oh, that's nice, or whatever. But this guy, it is a guy, male. He grabbed a hold of me and just wouldn't let me go. So like I said, I've been looking at him for more than a year. So, oh, it's a thick box. Holy cow. What's a thick box? Ooh, ASMR. Oh wow, does he have a wrap? Well, oh. The normal eraser. Now, when the box came, I thought, that's an awful big box. Did I make a mistake and order an SD? Oh no. But I didn't. I'm used to minifigs. So having a normal MSD size was kind of throwing me for a loop. So let's see if we can't get him out of his bubble wrap cocoon here. I have to say, he is wrapped very well. I am very, very impressed. Okay. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Underneath him, they had it doubled. One layer. Oh, resin. By the way, he's tan skin. And I can see the color of the resin through the bubble wrap, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and I got him with a face up. So, and there will be doll nudity. Come on, mister. Wow. I am so... I hear another one of the little dragons. I swear they knew. I didn't ask them, but I wanted him to have blonde hair and gray eyes. They said gray eyes. Oh. Wow. Wow. I am so not used to MSD size dolls that for me, he's enormous. Look at that tan. Look at that tan skin. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, look at his hands. Beautiful. Oh, he's circumcised. No swivel joint, but that's okay. I don't care. He does have, obviously, a joint here. Get the stuff off of his feet. And then we'll do a face reveal. And I'll do a bit of a review depending. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, his feet are gorgeous. A little bit of resin flash, but he's going to be wearing shoes most of the time anyway. Single jointed, which is fine. Actually, he might be double jointed. I think his arms are double jointed. Look at his hands. They're beautiful. Okay. Got good foot movement too. Okay. Okay. More tape. I'm sorry, guys. I know. I'm excited too. But so much tape. Which I'm actually not really complaining, but when you want to oh my god, he's beautiful. Oh. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh. He's got some veining in here. Got a gorgeous six-pack. A little bit of dust. No seams to speak of. Hands have some veining as well. So do his feet. Nice definition of muscles on his arms and on his legs. He's quite built, actually. So, that's as far as his arms can go. I don't care. He's not going to have a problem sitting. So that's a good thing. His back is just glorious. And he's got a nice butt. Whoa! And like I said, for someone who normally deals with mini fees and has had only mini fees other than Cecilia. He's ginormous, but he's so gorgeous. Just to have another look at that face. Oh, he's got eyelashes. Oh my gosh. He does. Anyway, guys. I'm not sure I like the feet. They wobble a little bit, but like I said, he's going to be wearing shoes. But there he is, guys. I like the way his head is shaped like that so that it makes the head cap. Well, I'm thoroughly impressed. I ordered him some clothes and some shoes. So and a wig. So when they come in, I'll do another video and introduce you to him properly. But I'm blown away. Quite literally blown away. I'm so very happy. He even has an Adam's apple. I was just looking down at him admiringly. And I noticed he has an Adam's apple. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to promise that I'll do more videos because I don't know. I will try, certainly, but it all depends on what's going on. You know what I mean? So just remember, never, ever let anyone dull your sparkle. And know that I love you all.